Hello, welcome back to Coding Everywhere. Today we will continue coding in Python the solution to our set of inequality problems. Let's review our previous solution first. We implemented the step 1 of the phase 2 and now we have a left-hand side expression and the right-hand side expression created. The right-hand side expression can be evaluated now. T and B are knowns. T is 254, B is 20, so T is T minus B should be 234. We will use a function in Python called eval. This function has two parameters. One is the expression, and we have it, and the second one is a dictionary that associates the name of a variable with its value. So in our case, let's say if it is B, it will be similar with a list, but instead of having the index 0, 1, 2, 3 like in a list, we'll have the keyword B and the value 20. So I will start by creating this dictionary and then we will evaluate this expression. So right here, once we have the variables, we'll say for each variable in variables, we have, so let's create an empty dictionary. I will name it knowns. And that's how you define an empty dictionary. And I will say, so let's put in the knowns only the variables that we know that have a value. So we will say if variable of 2, so variable of 2 is the value, it's unknown. Okay, so let's do that first. Equal unknown. So let's just set up, create a variable named unknown. It's equal with the name of that variable, which is variable of 0. Okay, else, so if it is not unknown, it means that we know its value. We'll say knowns of, and now remember we have to use the keyword, so the keyword is variable of 0. So in the case of B, that will be the string B. It's equal variable of 2. Okay, so after this for loop, we'll have a dictionary with knowns and the unknown variable set to x. X is the unknown. So now I will go here. So I have the right hand side expression and I will say add an empty line, print, and I will say print left hand side formula sign, and now I will say eval RHS, it is the expression and it is the dictionary knowns. Okay, so let's save it and run our tests. So I will run the first test. Okay, so I have f times x is larger than 234. It worked. Then second test. 234 again, I still have t minus b. Third test, 234. Fourth test, also 234. Fifth test, negative 234, that's correct because this time we have b minus t, so 20 minus 254. And then test 6, 234 t minus b, and test 7, negative 234 because this is b minus t. So all 7 tests passed. We were able to evaluate the expression correctly. In the next lesson, we will process the left-hand side of this formula. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to Coding Everywhere channel to be updated whenever new videos are uploaded. Bye bye.